Take a ride in the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, rear wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.